Hello, precious family. This is the day that the Lord has made, and we will rejoice and be glad in it. Today we're making creamy mashed potatoes with peppers. So stay tuned. The potatoes that I'm going to use. So it's washed nicely. Peel it, or you can use knife, but this one is a little bit easier to peel with. See that? So now I'm going to cut it into pieces, or any how we want it, whether half, cubes, but all has to be the same size or similar sizes. And this potatoes is not that fluffy when you use it for mashed potatoes. The russet one, the one is fluffy, but I want to use this one. My water is boiling. Gonna add salt to taste, and then potatoes. Okay, I have 2 garlic. Add it. We're draining our potatoes. Smells good. The garlic that I put in. So now you place your butter. I'm just using 2 tablespoons because I'm using mayonnaise. So the butter is like, okay. So now you mash your potatoes. Here I have my sweet peppers, so beautiful colors, right? And spring onion, jalapeno pepper. I'm gonna take the seeds out because the seeds is what makes the peppers hot. I have my mayo, the mayo that we made together, guys. Look at that. Clean mayonnaise, homemade. And I have here my cream, heavy cream, whipped one. I'm gonna cut this into pieces. I'm adding cream. Let me add my mayo. And my mashed potatoes, I don't like it that smooth, so it's a little bit rough. And my mayo is that color, like yellow, because I add mustard. Hey, it smells good. Oh, yay. I put little bit butter in here. You see how it is now? It smells good. Now I'm just tossing the peppers that I cut. Just a little bit toss. Now my jalapeno pepper. Okay. Hey, beautiful. Alrighty, then I add my sweet peppers. On your fire, wait there, your friend won't do crab lady. Instead of jalapeno pepper, you can add black pepper, or if you want to add both. Be your own food, oh, sister brother. Now spring onions for garnishing. Use parsley or dill. Wow, Jenny, yeah, so mouth-watering. Try and make some, and I'm telling you, will enjoy with your friends and family. Thanks for watching from Ahobrasia Kitchen. Love you all. Stay safe.